Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youth Buddy. Dear college students, exam aspirants, technology lovers, and all the sharp thinkers joining us today. If you are someone who struggles with assignments or managing their time or understanding difficult topics, this is especially for you. Let's be real for a moment. College life is not always easy, right? You have assignments, projects, exams, presentations, and sometimes everything comes at once. You sit with your books or laptop, and then you start thinking, where do I even start? Or maybe, you spend hours searching online, but still don't get clear answers. And when it comes to writing, grammar mistakes, sentence confusion, it just gets frustrating. And presentations, or that last-minute rush is something every student knows. Don't worry, we've got a super simple solution for you. Useful AI tools for college students. Information from Youth Buddy. To explore this, just visit the Youth Buddy website, go to the Education section, look for AI Tools College Students under the Education Info category on that page. These AI tools are like smart helpers, almost like having a personal assistant for your studies. They help you understand topics, write better, save time, and even create amazing presentations. Now let's quickly see how you can actually use these tools in your daily student life. First, start with ChatGPT. Whenever you don't understand a topic, just ask it like you would ask a friend. It explains things in a simple way, helps with assignments, gives ideas, and even helps with coding. Next, use Grammarly while writing anything, assignments, emails, or essays. It will automatically correct your grammar, spelling, and even suggest better words. So your writing becomes clear and professional. Then, for research, try Perplexity AI. Instead of searching multiple websites, it gives you direct answers with sources. So you can save time and still get reliable information. After that, organize your study life using Notion AI. You can manage your notes, track assignments, and even create summaries of lectures. It keeps everything in one place so you don't feel lost. Now let's talk about presentations. Use Canva AI or Gemini AI. Just give your topic, and they help you create beautiful, professional slides in minutes. No more boring presentations. If you are dealing with mathematics or science problems, Wolfram Alpha is your go-to tool. It doesn't just give answers, it shows step-by-step solutions so you actually learn. For coding students, GitHub Copilot is super helpful. While you write code, it suggests the next lines automatically. So you learn faster and make fewer mistakes. And if you want to rewrite or improve your sentences, use Quillbot. It helps you paraphrase content and avoid repetition or plagiarism. Finally, for lectures, After AI can record and convert speech into text. So even if you miss something, in class you can review it later easily. Now imagine this. Don't waste time struggling for hours, use the right guidance. You are completing tasks faster, understanding better, and feeling more confident. That's what these AI tools can actually do for you. And the best part, most of them are simple to use, even if you are just starting out. Just remember, use them smartly. They are here to support your learning, not replace your effort. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the education section on the Youth Buddy website. Then select AI Tools College Students under the Education Info category on that page. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youth Buddy, signing off.